Hey, so if you're new to HubSpot CRM and want to learn how to use it properly in 2026, this full guide will walk you through the basics step by step in a simple and practical way. First, open your browser and go to HubSpot. Log in using your HubSpot email and password. Once you're inside the dashboard, you're now in the HubSpot CRM, where all your customer data lives. Start with contacts. Click on the Contacts tab to add and manage leads or customers. You can create contacts manually or capture them automatically using forms. Each contact stores emails, calls, notes, and activity history in one place. Next, move to Deals. Deals help you track potential sales, create a deal, assign it to a contact, choose a deal stage, set a value, and add a close date. This creates a clear sales pipeline so you always know what's in progress. Now use Tasks to stay organized. Create tasks for follow-ups, calls, or emails, and assign due dates. Tasks appear on your dashboard so nothing gets forgotten. Yeah, this really helps with daily work. HubSpot automatically tracks activities. Emails, meetings, calls, and website visits are logged in contact timelines, giving you full visibility into every interaction. After that, explore email tools. You can send tracked emails, see opens and clicks, and use templates to save time while staying professional. Check dashboards and reports to understand performance. Monitor deals, activities, and conversions to see what's working and what needs improvement. As you grow, use automation like simple workflows to create tasks or send emails automatically. Automation saves time and keeps your CRM running smoothly. Finally, review your CRM daily. Update contacts, move deals forward, and complete tasks consistently. And that's it. By using contacts, deals, tasks, email tracking, and reports, you can confidently use HubSpot CRM to manage your business in 2026. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it with others, and don't forget to subscribe for more simple step-by-step tutorials.